Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our English lesson.
Hi, Anna. Can I ask you something?
Of course, Kenny.
I always get confused between at, ein, and on.
Right, so let's get right into it, because many learners use wrong way.
I always get confused between at, in, and on. Sometimes I use at, sometimes I use in, sometimes I use on. Honestly, I don't know which one is correct.
Don't worry, Kenny. You're not alone. After many years of teaching English, I've noticed that many beginner English learners make the same mistake. At, in, and on are small words, but they can be very confusing.
That's exactly how I feel.
The good news is, they are actually much easier than you think. In today's lesson, I'm going to break down these 3 prepositions step by step. We'll look at, in, and on in a simple and easy-to-understand way.
That sounds great.
The entire lesson will only take about 10 minutes, so try to watch until the end of the video. You'll understand these 3 prepositions much more clearly.
10 minutes? I can do that.
Before we begin, please support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
It really helps us create more English lessons for you.
And if there is a topic you'd like us to teach, leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us what you want to learn next.
Kenny and I read all your comments, and we'll do our best to reply to as many comments as possible.
Ready to learn? Ready.
Let's get started. Today, let's learn 3 important prepositions: at, in, and on.
Great. I always get confused. When do we use at, in, and on?
Don't worry, Kenny. Let's learn them one by one.
Okay, I'm ready.
First, let's talk about at. We use at for a specific time. Example, the class starts at 8 o'clock.
The class starts at 8 o'clock.
Very good. We also use at for a specific place. Example, I am waiting at the bus stop.
I am waiting at the bus stop.
Excellent. Next, let's learn in.
When do we use in?
We use in for months, years, and longer periods of time. Example, my birthday is in July.
My birthday is in July.
Great. Another example, I was born in 2010.
I was born in 2010.
Perfect. We also use in for spaces or areas. Example, the keys are in my bag.
The keys are in my bag.
Well done. Now, let's learn on.
When do we use on?
We use on for days and dates. Example, I play soccer on Saturday.
I play soccer on Saturday.
Excellent. Another example, the meeting is on June 15th.
The meeting is on June 15th.
Great job. We also use on for surfaces. Example, the book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
Perfect.
Let me check if I understand. At for specific times and places.
That's right.
In for months, years, and areas.
Correct.
On for days, dates, and surfaces.
Exactly.
Wow, now it's much easier.
Great work, Kenny. Remember, at a time, in a space, on a surface.
At a time, in a space, on a surface.
Excellent. Keep practicing and your English will improve every day.
Great job learning the basics.
Thanks, Anna. But I still have a question.
Sure, what is it?
Sometimes I see at, in, and on used with places. How do I know which one to use?
That's a great question. Let's look at some common situations.
Okay.
First, let's talk about work. Compare these 2 sentences. I work at Google.
I work at Google.
Here, at means the company or workplace. Now, listen to this. I work in the marketing department.
I work in the marketing department.
Here, in means inside a department or area.
So at is the company and in is the department.
Exactly. Here's another example. I am at the office.
I am at the office.
This means my location is the office. I am in the office.
I am in the office.
This means I am inside the office building.
Ah, that's the difference.
Correct. Now let's go to a restaurant.
Sounds good.
Listen carefully. We are at a restaurant.
We are at a restaurant.
At focuses on the location. We are in a restaurant.
We are in a restaurant.
In focuses on being inside the restaurant.
At is the place, in is inside the place.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about roads and streets.
This one is difficult.
Don't worry. We use on for streets and roads. Example, the bank is on Main Street.
The bank is on Main Street.
Very good. Another example, I live on Pine Road.
I live on Pine Road.
Excellent.
Why do we use on?
Because we think of a street or road like a line or surface.
That makes sense.
Now compare these. I am at the bus stop.
I am at the bus stop.
At means a specific point. I am on the street.
I am on the street.
On means on a road or street area.
I see.
Let's review. Use at for a point or location. Example, at Google, at the office, at the restaurant, at the bus stop.
At Google, at the office, at the restaurant, at the bus stop.
Use in for being inside something. Example, in the office, in the restaurant, in the marketing department, in the building.
In the office, in the restaurant, in the marketing department, in the building.
Use on for streets, roads, and surfaces. Example, on Main Street, on Pine Road, on the table.
On Main Street, on Pine Road, on the table.
Perfect.
So, at equals a point, in equals inside, on equals a surface, street, or road.
Exactly. You're getting better every day. Congratulations! You finished today's lesson on at, in, and on.
Great job, everyone. Now I finally understand when to use these three prepositions.
That's wonderful, Kenny. Remember, learning English is not about studying for hours. It's about practicing a little every day.
Just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Exactly. So keep practicing these examples, and soon using at, in, and on will feel natural.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
If this video helped you, please support our channel.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson with your friends.
And we would love to hear from you.
What English topic would you like us to teach next?
Leave your ideas in the comments below.
We read all your comments.
And we'll do our best to reply to as many comments as possible.
Thank you again for watching.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking English every day.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.